Are you in a pinch and you need a solution quick to get that decision maker to say yes? Here are 4 approaches you can take. Set up a pilot. What you want to do is take out a lot of the risk. So ask the decision maker if you can start with a proof of concept. The second approach is the outcome-based contract. That means you get paid once you have succeeded. It takes nerves of steel, but could be your breakthrough. I know what you're thinking. Maybe I don't get paid. If you feel confident about your work and you know you will succeed. Speaking of money, how about changing the tone? What is it worth for your decision maker to have that success? It should at least cost that much. Otherwise, they didn't really want it to begin with. How about asking the question how much money they make once your solution is in production? Every day you wait is an opportunity squandered, so get cracking. Pilot project, outcome-based contract, count the benefits, and time is money. Your strategy towards success.